Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear lip spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power sunroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.